Kasin Claret Seminary Umsning mentakasngi kakat pratrik naibing kalapan hak perdai kar Jingrakhe kelingkhu sinem ba arpasan jongka jingstang jongka. Yakini kejing penhak perda ada kangu ke demblay kabalapan mentai kemas bakho du soblay Bishop Wilbert Marwin u Bishop Jongkanongstone. Yakini ke Jingrakhe ba arpasan sinem Kasin Claret Seminary Umsning la pelong ha pelau jongkate ke seminary ha ke bau soblay Wilbert Marwin Bishop Kanongstone la long kumukongsan ha ke jingadon lang Father Ferdinand Dekar Bishop ke Jawai Father Pius Turuthiel, Provincial Superior Province of North East India, Father Tommy Akapadikal, Superior St. Claret Seminary Umsning, Father Pius Shadab, Parish Priest Umsning Parish, Lembat Kiwi Padar, Kisestar, Bat Kikun Samla, Kiriu Rangpa, Kiblay Mentai, Kelek Men Jubili Rupa. Kasin Claret Seminary Umsning kadai ke jaka pule ban long lingdo so blay jong kaseng clarishin ye kini ke jaka la seng nong rim house nem khat khandai spa khandai pupra da ke jing thmu ban ai jing shakri ye ki bakwa ban long lingdo so blay na ka banta ban shakri ye ka kam jong blay.
Round of applause, please.
Fathers, priests, religious, we work for the church in our own talents that God has given to us. And all of us are beautiful like these flowers. We have different colors, all of us black and white or green, but we grow together. We are green maybe, or whatever maybe, but we grow together. When we put together, it looks so beautiful. So I would urge and congratulate once again to the Claretian congregation, and let us grow, all of us, all missionaries grow like this flower. Let us become the source of life and beauty for others. Let us become something meaningful to our people as we work for the mission of God. Let us build together and work together for the growth of the church, for the diocese, and for the whole world. Let us pray especially for the peace in the world, especially what we are looking and seeing now. There's a problem and a war all over. Let's pray. Let us continue to grow together and stand together in the Lord. May the Lord unite us and be strong in our vocation, in our service to the church, to the society. So thank you very much.
Lord, you created man.